Okay, so now we'll do our drawing exercise 8b. If you analyze this object, what we see here are section lines. And that means that a section cut is made so that we can see the geometry or the changes inside this object. But we are going to draw this full circle here. So it's not just 270 degrees. So we need a full 360 degrees for this, and the other symmetrical part of this. You also need to draw that. Okay, so it's just section lines so that um, we can see what's inside. Okay, so here's the profile. So a profile is made, and is given, and we have this axis of revolution. So we will use the revolve command. And then for this part, we just have to use the tools that we have already learned previously. Okay, so change the UCS first, or depending upon, let's say here's our home UCS. So UCS, and then specify the origin. Then here's my X axis, and here's my Y axis. Okay, so next is, maybe I'll draw this line here, this axis line. So line, and then just specify maybe 75. Okay, next is I'm going to offset that line to 10, and then 15, 25, and 40. Okay, so type O for offset, then type 10. And then O once again, type 15 for the offset distance, and then 25 offset distance, then last will be 40. So 40. Okay, next is, maybe I'll change this color. So properties, and so that's our axis. Okay, next is the line here, offset 20, 60, 70, and 75. So I just have to draw the line. So type O for the offset, and then offset distance is 20. Right, and then offset distance 60. And offset distance 70 and 75. So O 70. Right, let me check this again. So delete this. So offset, then 60 from this. So that's 60, then O once again for 70. Offset distance again to 75. Right. So now I'm going to make my profile. So the profile, I'll start here. So polyline, so type PL for polyline. So I'm starting here, and then there, and then go here. That's the 60, and then go here, and then here. Okay, next is go up here, and then to the right. So I'll just have to input a intersection. So intersection, okay, so here, and then go intersection. Just type int for the intersection. So int and then intersection again here, then go up. So go up here, then intersection again, then type C for the close. So you'll see that this is my profile. Okay, so that is the profile that we have drawn. Okay, so just to have a review, we first draw the grids, the grid points, and then we draw a polyline connecting the points that we need. Okay, so that's our polyline, so that when we revolve it, then um, we can have a solid. Okay, so next command is change the UCS, because we need to revolve it around this axis. So that means that this axis must be the z-axis. Okay, or that's actually the home, maybe home axis. So you see here the z is along the along the vertical direction. So revolve, so type rev for revolve, select the profile, select the first point of the axis, and then select the second point. Actually, anywhere along the vertical, this is fine. So you see, if you select that, then next is the angle. So by default, that is 360 already. So click that, then that's our object. Okay, next is we need to draw this part. So you will notice that this part is from this plane to that plane, or to that height. So we need to draw a circle, because right here we'll be needing the tangent point of tangency. So I'm going to draw a circle here, or maybe here, and then circle at this distance 80 from the center point to this. That's 80, and the diameter is 20 and 40. Okay, so circle, so center, so type cen, so that we can focus the center options. Okay, and then I'm going to make a line from the center to this. That's 80, and we need to draw another circle. Maybe we'll change this color of maybe pink. Okay, so circle 20 and 40 diameter. So C 20, and then just offset 10 distance for 40. Okay, next is to next actually is to make a line here, tangent line, and then tangent here. Okay, so line, then specify first point, just say tangent, and then tangent here. So type tan for tangency. Okay, so it went here, so that's just fine. I just have to mirror that. Okay, then okay, let's do that mirror. So change the UCS, I mean just the point of origin actually. So change it here, and then just press enter. Okay, then next is mirror. So MI, select the object, and then select this endpoint. Okay, again UCS, and then here. Okay, so mirror MI, select the object, then select the endpoint. So by the way, you notice that I changed the point of origin here, because I just want to shift the plane to this drawing plane, or the area where we are drawing right now, because we can only see this snap snap markers only at that plane, right? So that's the reason. Okay, then press enter, and then finally you can trim. Maybe we can trim, or if you can see it, then let's just move it here. So trim everything that we don't need. So that one, what else? This one, we don't need that, right? So okay, the next is make this a polyline. So p edit, or just select somewhere here, maybe this one, p edit polyline, right? So select uh, one line, then press yes, because it says here, do you want to turn it into one? So yes. Then join, select the objects you want to join, and just press enter and enter. So you see this is a one polyline. Now is then bring this back to here. So the center point is the base point is the center, and center to the next point, and then extrude. So the extrude height is just this height. Okay, next is draw this circle. We have 30, and the circle here is all throughout. So draw circle in this um, in this in this point. So that's my 20 diameter circle, and then I'm going to draw my 30 diameter circle. So D, and then 30, and then extrude. So the extrude height would be 15. So 15. So just type 15, and now let's subtract. So subtract command, select the first object, select the second object, also this, select the first object and select the second object, and maybe we can do the union if we need. So union command, right? So now if you check, so that's our object.